hello, Mr. Gizmo. Look it. Say hello. You all big now. You all big kitty. You're a big kitty now. Yeah, you're a big kitty. What are you doing up there? My Alo Yoga order came in, so I'm gonna unbox it. Hold, please. This is all I have right now to get this guy open, so. It works. So in this box that you see right here, I picked up two things. I wanted to try that little, what is it, a workout top, I guess? It's a lined bra tank. I got this one in a size medium, just because I wasn't sure how it was going to fit. But here it is. She's cute. I like this. I like the little rib detail and the little pop of white. So that's that. And then I also got a pair of pants. And these are the airbrush leggings. And I got an extra small, so I'm hoping that they fit. Oh, honey, you're back. So here are the leggings. They're that style. And then I particularly got these ones because I like the little logo in the back. I thought that was really cute. So, and then because I ordered, I guess I got an item, a body wash for free. So this is the body wash that came with it. And it's a Superpower Your Shower Mega C Body Wash. It's made with Amila, avocado oil, magnesium, aloe, marilla oil. And then they have a little QR code that you can scan if you want to. Hi. You're gonna come up here again? Smells citrusy. So yeah, that's everything I picked up from Alo Yoga.